There, fellow traders, welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will recap last week's stock market action and discuss our game plan for this week. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services. Well, guys, U.S. stocks on Friday jumped to end the week with healthy gains, with the benchmark S&P 500 closing at a new record high despite Wall Street's rocky start to 2024. Sentiment was boosted by a rise in chip stocks and economic data that showed high levels of consumer sentiment and lowered inflation expectations. The advance was also likely tied to a major monthly expirations event. The tech-heavy Nasdaq added 1.7% to close at 15,310, buoyed by semiconductor names. Bellwether Texas Instruments rose after a stock rating upgrade. A rosy quarterly guidance by super microcomputer SMCI was a shot in the arm for the industry as well. Just look at the price of options on SMCI. 400 calls were up 58,000%. I mean, just was an absolute monster of a day. I saw the gap up. I just didn't see this run happening like it did, and I missed out on SMCI. But amazing how this big cap was up 35% on a Friday. Shortly after the opening bell, University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index came in at 78.8 for January, easily outpacing a consensus estimate of 70.0 and December's 69.7 reading. The index is now at its highest level since July 2021. The report also showed that inflation expectations further softened during January. The story last week, which saw a holiday on Monday on account of Martin Luther King Jr. Day, was dominated by two major headlines: technology stocks continuing to build on their staggering around 56% gain in 2023, and a bond sell-off sparked by a pushback by central bank officials in Europe and at home against markets' aggressive rate cut expectations for 2024. New all-time high for the U.S. stock market since the last all-time high on January 4th, 2022. The average Russell 1000 stock is down 5.95%, while the median stock in the index is down 9.95%. You can say thank you to the mega caps for the rally. So if you haven't been in mega caps, you really missed out on this big move. IWM in particular is down about 20% from its November 2021 highs. If you zoom out here, you can see what I'm talking about. And we all remember how good 2021 was for small caps and penny stocks. That's when we had the GameStop and AMC squeezes. But right now, it is a tough time for small caps. Again, none of this is financial advice, but you have to be cautious right now. Don't go chasing. Most of these plays are one and done. That's what we're seeing. That's what we saw last week. You got the big pop, and then the next day, the sell-off. So there's lack of continuation. So if you're not catching it either in the pre-market or that day as a day trade, it's, again, not wise to go chasing. For this week, on Monday, options trading volume is still high on Spirit Airlines. Following the news that the DOJ blocked its merger with JetBlue Airways, Davey Day Trader Dave Portnoy, he's all in on Spirit Airlines, SAVE. But again, as he says, he's not a financial advisor. He is a gamble. So again, a lot of traders are taking a gamble on Spirit Airlines. Monday, we also get interest rate decisions or coming this week from the Bank of Japan, European Central Bank, and the Bank of Canada. In the U.S., Federal Reserve members will be in a blackout period of no public talks ahead of the next FOMC meeting on January 30th to 31st, so that is next week. On Tuesday, notable companies due to report include J&J, Procter & Gamble, Netflix, Verizon Communications, Texas Instruments, General Electric, and Lockheed Martin. I will, of course, be closely watching Netflix as it's on one of my main trading lists that I watch every day. On Wednesday, notable companies due to report include Tesla. Tesla is another one that is a key. I've made more money trading Tesla than any other stock. Tesla and NVIDIA, those are my two favorites when it comes to trading, particularly options. If you want more information about options and options trading, leave a comment below and I'll do some options education videos for you guys. On Wednesday, notable companies due to report, also besides Tesla include Abbott Labs, IBM, AT&T, General Dynamics, Las Vegas Sands, and CSX. At 5:30 p.m., this is Wednesday, Tesla is holding its earnings conference call. The EV sector will be on watch to see what Elon Musk and gang say about 2024 production expectations and the margin outlook, with average selling prices following. Options trading implies a swing in share price of 7% after the Tesla earnings report is released. Notably, Tesla fell 9% after its last earnings report. And Tesla has gotten really beaten up here. We'll see how it plays out. Again, it's been on a downtrend for the past I would say for the past couple of months. We've been just stuck in a range here. If you go back to really June, just stuck between this, primarily 210, 270, got up to 299 at once, briefly, but really 210 to 270, we've just been stuck in this range. On Thursday, notable companies due to report include Visa, Intel, INTC. Intel will be key with the semiconductor market. So again, how that goes will affect trading in NVIDIA, SMCI, and Taiwan Semiconductor, all the big semi names. We'll also get Comcast, Union Pacific, American Airlines Group, and Southwest Airlines. So again, we're in the heart of earnings season, so we're really going to get a tale of how strong the economy is for the consumer and for the companies. On Friday, the core PCE price index will be released. Economists forecast the inflation gauge will show a 0.2% month over month and 2.9% year over year increase. The forecast implies the first sub 3% year over year reading for core PCE since March of 2021. And this is right before next week's Fed meeting, and it is a key, is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. In terms of small caps, I went through a lot of charts, not seeing anything that's really catching my eye. I will, of course, be scanning pre-market. If I see anything, guys, I will shoot out a quick email or text to you guys. So again, make sure you are signed up. Again, it is completely free. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion. It's meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.